Hey guys, just thought I'd post this to save someone some money and not replace the refrigerator. This is your typical Whirlpool generic ice maker. This is the old one that stopped working. You can see all the hard water. So this has worn away the Teflon coating in there. And what happens is this will become a solid block of ice, and this guy won't be able to rotate and kick out your ice cubes. So what you can do is go to Lowe's or Home Depot and you can get an ice maker that looks very similar, but maybe it has a different plug. They all kind of work the same. What you could do, pop this off, press down in here, take this wire if your connector's wrong, swap your old wire onto the new unit, and plug it in there in the back. You have 2 screws in the top, 1 screw on the bottom, and you should be good. And this has been 20 hours. Actually only about 18 hours. Starting to get some ice again.